Nestled in the northern part of Pakistan lies a paradise on earth, the globally renowned Shangri-La resort, located about 30 kilometers from Skardu in the picturesque region of Kachura. This resort is celebrated as one of the world's top tourist destinations. It offers breathtaking natural beauty surrounded by towering mountains, serene lakes, and charming valleys. Shangri-La Resort is famous for its heart-shaped lake, known as Lower Kachura Lake. The crystal clear water of the lake are home to various species of fish, reflecting the pure essence of the region's natural ecosystem. The surrounding landscape is a masterpiece of nature with lush green meadows, snow-capped peaks, and vibrant flora adding to its ethereal charm. As you wander around the lake, the calmness of the water and a whisper of the breeze create a sense of tranquility unmatched anywhere else. The reflection of the surrounding mountains on the lake's surface make for a truly mesmerizing sight. The beauty of Shangri-La extends beyond the resort itself. The neighboring villages, including Komara, Bagardo, Sordas, and stunning Padang Usau Valley, offer cultural richness and opportunities to explore the traditional lifestyle of Gilgit-Baltistan. Each village has its own charm and natural wonder waiting to be discovered, from alpine meadows to hidden streams. If you are planning a trip to Shangri-La Resort, the best time to visit is during the summer month of June, July, and August. The weather during this period is perfect for outdoor activities, with clear skies and mild temperature. Whether you're hiking, boating, or simply relaxing by the lake, the summer month ensure an unforgettable experience. In winter, the entire region transforms into a snow-covered wonderland, offering a different but equally enhancing perspective of the resort. Shangri-La Resort offers a range of activities for visitors, including boating on Lower Kachura Lake, fishing or bird watching, exploring scenic trails and nearby valleys, photography, capturing the stunning landscape and vibrant culture of the region, luxurious stay and fine dining in their resort's cozy chals and restaurants. Shangri-La Resort is not just a destination, it's an experience that blends natural beauty, adventure, and serenity. Whether you are a natural lover, an adventurer, or someone seeking peace, Shangri-La has something for everyone. It's a place where time slows down and every moment feels like magical. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for your support.
अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो देखने से पहले आप GB ट्रू न्यूज़ HD को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों तक बर वक्त पहुंच सके।